Now, this is how you can transfer phone numbers from Android to the iPhone. Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So at first, we need to locate the Contacts app on our Android device like this. I'm gonna get inside, and if I click on more options right there, I have the ability to manage contacts like this. And with a little click, I can click on export and literally select all contacts and export them to the internal storage. So when I click on export like this, it creates the contact003.vcf file. So if you're not familiar with it, the VCF is a vCard format which stores contacts. Doesn't matter if you export them from iPhone, from Google Contacts, or from this phone, it is basically always stays in this format. So as you can see, it is done. And in my files browser, in the Files app, I can find the most definitely I should be able to see the VCF. So if I look it up right here, you can see I have a few of them. So the latest one was this Contacts 003 made on April 15, which is today. And the point is that we need to get this file to the iPhone somehow. And there are actually more ways how you can do this. Like you can obviously upload it to the Google Drive or use some cloud storage. But I believe that the best way to do it, to share files between iPhone and Android, is through an app which is called Send Anywhere, which you can, by the way, get on both devices. It is freely available, so you can use it to share basically anything. So we have the file in here. I can hold down on it, click on share, and using this Send Anywhere app, I'm gonna tap it like this. You can see that I have to give it the access, so I give it access, whatever, and now it just created this sharing page. So on the iPhone, I'm going to open up the Send Anywhere app, as you can see right here, and essentially I just want to accept this file. So once it loads up, I go to the receive section at the bottom, and I just type in the verification code, so 589756, and I'm going to click on receive. It might take a while, depends on the connection and everything, but this is a very effective way of moving this file over, right? So we just have to wait it out. We have a couple of ads here and there, which is fine. Like it's a free app, which works well. So we kind of have to wait for it to happen. Don't worry that we still have like 0% in here, because it just kind of like it has to get going at first, and it will then basically send it, right? So as you can see, it has been sent. We have one more ad on our phone, which I'm gonna like close right now. And essentially, once you get the file on your iPhone, you can see inside of the Files app, if I look it up, here is the Contacts 003, and I can tap on it and actually hold down on it and click on a share and open it through the Contacts. And this is a nice way to import all of my contacts into the iPhone. So you can see I can add all of them with a click of a button. The whole point is just getting the files from one device to another, right? So you can as well use the Google Drive or any other service to make that work. But that is all from me. I hope it helped. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.